Hey, welcome back to Dickie's Beer Review. Today I'm going to be trying this Barking Squirrel Lager. It's a Hop City Brewing Company, and it says it's out of Hop City Brewing Company, Brampton, St. John, Canada. It's got almost a sweet smell to it. It says it's a lager, but it's also made by Hop City, so that kind of scared me when I saw a picture of the hops on there. A squirrel holding the hops. Yeah, it almost has a, I don't even know how to describe that. It smells like a freaking cream ale or something. Yeah, straight up hop. Does not taste like a lager to me. Lagers I thought usually are lighter and less hoppy, but yeah, this is like a thick, hoppy something. I don't know. Almost tastes like it has maple syrup in it and maybe burnt pieces of wood. Maybe it tastes like rubber eraser a little bit. I keep tasting it, hoping that the taste goes away. I had to go to my standby because I just can't. I can't drink that. I had to wash my freaking palate. It smells like sweet tree sap. What the freak is in there? And maple syrup and burnt tire. So, Michelob Ultra. This shit is good. I can fit 12 of these in my golf bag too. Alright, Barking Squirrel Lager, Hop City Brewing, out of Canada, imported through New York, and whatever, I don't like it. Nope. So, come over to my house, ask for a beer, this is what you're getting, and then you'll probably be pissed at me. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube, subscribe if you have a YouTube channel, and share them on Facebook. And until next time, cheers. Fucking fly. Alright, Dickie's Beer Review. Fuck that shit.